version of iOS 17. Standby mode allows you to see information when your iPhone is charging in landscape mode. Things like the weather, the calendar, the date, any type of notification as well. And this feature has actually evolved quite a bit ever since the release of iOS 17.1 and 17.2. So in this video, I wanted to share the evolution of standby mode, what I like to call standby mode 2.0. So let's go ahead and dive right into this video. So with the release of iOS 17.1, if we go into settings and go into the standby mode option, Apple added a new option, show preview on tap only. Now, I always have this feature enabled. So basically what this will do, this is a privacy feature. It will filter your notifications and not really show the content within the notification. So here's a quick screenshot of that. So right there, I get a notification. It shows the icon for the app that's sending the notification, the person, the emoji if they also have an emoji, but you won't get any preview, you won't get any content. So basically this is a privacy feature built into standby mode, which was much needed. Now, if you don't have this option enabled, show preview on tap only just only allows you to tap on the screen when you see that notification, and then you'll be able to see the preview of that notification. Now, for always on display devices, Apple has also added new display options. So with iOS 17, every single iPhone gets the standby mode feature. However, on always on displays, it stays always on unless you choose to with these new options. Now, every other iPhone will shut off in 15 seconds automatically, but on always on display devices, you can choose to turn off the display automatically, which will use the iPhone's motion and proximity sensors to determine when to shut off the display. Or you can choose after 20 seconds, which no matter what, the iPhone will shut it off in 20 seconds, or never, of course, it will never